Hey guys, so today we're back for another video, and today I found the Extreme Riders tin. Now location wise, you can get it in Chichester, in Kid Stuff, and Bognor in Kid Stuff / Toymaster. Anyways, here we are. Now just one thing to point out with the wrapper, I have taken it off, but 5 exclusive Superthings. When as you probably know, Superthings. Even though this is the newest edition of tins, just they're all like that though. It isn't like a one of a kind error. They're all like, okay then. Well, stop. I don't know who this is. Could be anyone. Oh, why is this Wheeler? I want to say. Oh, we got the card. Yes, Wheeler. He's really cool. He's like silvery. Hero 1 is his license plate. A different one for Toymaster, which is good. Next up, oh, I guess this is gold because, you know, in metallic yellow gold, we have flow. It's not as gold as the others. Okay then. Now, ooh, who's this? Don't know this one's name. Power Sailor, right. He actually has water on him, which is quite interesting. I know there's more than 3. Here we have 2. Who is this? Oh, this is the, I think this is the leader. Yeah, Windwing. It's caped like in the wind, like they did with that Kid Kazuma and Enigma from the games. And finally, we have Roller Star, who's some roller skates, or I guess rollerblades you can call. I'd say roller. Now, I guess now we'll have a look at the tin. There's the front. Yeah, it looks like most of the other tins. Who would have thought? And then the base, yeah. Now, I do warn you, if you do buy these, if you do buy tins, make sure you always get a receipt. Normally, actually, with any Superzing items, because oftentimes, I think they fixed it now, but I don't know if they have in all places. Superzings will set off the alarms and make the entire store think you're a thief. And 2, because I know I'm fortunate and have not, and this has not happened to me, but I know it has happened before where you can get duplicates in the tins, which it isn't meant to happen, but it isn't impossible. Like, for example, I got the full set, but that's why you need a receipt, because you're not meant to get duplicates. It just is possible. So make sure to get a receipt so you can return it and get another. And if that's an error, I think you're just unlucky. And I don't think that can really be changed. As you can see, it's interesting how we got metallic green roller skating. Wait, you think they've coloured? Flo's got a purple cape, a blue cape. Looks a bit weird on gold. Windwing, who's a kite in case you can't tell. No, he's not a Mary Poppins hat. No, I don't know if he's Mary Poppins wears a hat. I think I'm just going mad. His red cape in the wind. His legs are actually, he's cosplaying as Roll because he's got his legs like outwards, like Roll did, which was actually the last Superzing I found from Series 8. Although, luckily, I have got one of every character. I haven't got one of every colour, although I don't intend on getting one of every colour. We're not made of money, as far as I can tell. No, we're definitely not made of money. They did put water on him. He hasn't got a cape. But he's got an engine. Rise with motor face. What if they like just, since like Astro Turbo in the cartoons invented a shrink ray, what if they just shrank Motorface and chucked it in something? That'd be quite dark. And then the crawl bike. Wheeler. I really like him. Okay then, there's the card in case you're interested. Now, what confuses me is normally by now they've got the rescue truck and the Rexes up for sale on Amazon. Well, not for sale, but for pre-order. But they haven't this year, which is strange. Maybe Amazon wasn't told about the 30th launch instead of a mid-August launch. I don't know. I mean, if you go to Magic Box's website, all the Series 10 stuff's only available mid-August. So, yeah. Well, whenever I can, I'll do the rescue truck. The V and H Rex will be around Christmas because, well, I've got to have something for Christmas. But the rescue truck is what I'll intend on doing next. Now, if the Superbot video doesn't come out by before this, if the Superbot video comes out before this one, that'll be incorrect. But anyways, that will be it for the video. Bye guys.